But honestly, really, who came up with this idea? Like, why can't water be everywhere? Hello Littlesilver family, how are you all doing? I hope you're great. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to this video. For my subscribers, thank you so much. For the new viewers, please do consider to subscribe and join our community as well. In the Littlesilver Dubai channel, we do videos based on lifestyle, adventure and the risks in between, so you're welcome to enjoy. In today's video, I'm going to get water from the dam. When it rains, there are some like big holes which are dug in strategic places in the community, and when it rains, then water accumulates there and people can go fetch water there for their daily use. Like, this is what we get. So in areas where we don't have like tapped water, or at the moment, like, we have exhausted our rain water which we harvested during the rainy season. So come with me, let's go fetch water. And so in these dams, you can go and collect the water in different forms. Some people have push carts, which is big enough, like, but they are like cattle or donkeys, like pulling it. For us, we have donkeys, so we go and put jerry cans on top of donkeys and come with it at home. As well, you can choose to carry it on your back. We just choose not to, but I have done that, and I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to do it for the video because let's go get water. It's a little bit sunny outside, so I'm going to get my hat. So on this day we had 8 jerrycans, but we chose to make 2 trips with our single donkey. Alternatively, you can as well borrow a donkey from your neighbor if they are not using it for the day, and you can make a single trip because a donkey only carries 4 jerrycans at a time. But honestly, really, who came up with this idea? Like, why can't water be everywhere? Why can't water be everywhere? Why do we have to struggle? But anyways, and now I cannot find the donkey. I think it's ran away or something, so it's not there where it's not where I put it. I don't know where it is, but maybe my sister took it before me because we used different routes. Anyways, yeah, that could be the reason. Or maybe my auntie's kids went to the river because we share the same donkey, like we share one donkey, 2 homes. So maybe our kids went to fetch water, that's why it's not there. So let me go to her home right there. I'm going to go and find out. So yeah, I confirmed it's the other home, my auntie's home. Our kids went so one of our kids went to fetch water with a donkey. Poor donkey, it's going to go 2 trips to fetch water. This is one of our kids. They just saw me recording. They always like to be in the video. Eh? Ndikota video endara. Mumerago. Kwani ndio ibidhere nagwa. Tumiruka kamweli. Na indo nene. Nenara. here. The donkey is waiting for us there, and we have to climb this staircase up to there, fill the jerrycans and then carry them back to here and go home. In case you're wondering. Okay, they're just saying hi to each other. No, don't come, wait, let me go get water. In the spirit of unity in the community, sometimes you have to stop and give someone help if they need it. As a disclaimer for the video, this is an activity that is performed by different people, but not all people, because some people have the privilege of having either boreholes or direct water from their homes. So this is entirely my experience, and you should explore more communities to know what it entails and all the activities they undertake. On another occasion, I will show you option 2 of where we get water.